Jade heats up 4th of July in a tiny. Cynthia Jade, the popular influencer known for her content on Instagram and X, formerly Twitter, celebrated America's Independence Day in style, showcasing her enviable curves in a striking bikini. For the holiday, Jade donned a bold red bikini top that accentuated her figure, featuring triangle cups that revealed ample side cleavage. Below, she wore white bikini bottoms cut high on the legs, perfectly highlighting her toned midriff. Taking advantage of sunny weather, Jade posed outdoors against a lush green backdrop. By the grill, she displayed her swimwear while draping the American flag over her shoulders. Demonstrating her patriotism further, she tied a star-spangled bandana to one side of her bikini bottoms. Jade styled her golden wavy hair to frame her face and opted for minimal makeup, allowing her bikini body to take center stage. In an interview, Jade shared her passion for the 4th of July, calling it magical. She noted that 4th of July has always been one of my favorite holidays: long lake days, barbecues, jet skis, tubing, and being surrounded by the people I love most. It's a chance to slow down, reconnect, and remember the freedom we sometimes take for granted. She added, there's something magical about sharing food, laughter, and fireworks under one sky, all in the spirit of unity, celebration, and what it means to be American. In addition to her photos, Jade filmed a brief video wishing America happy birthday. Holding the flag and wearing the same bikini, she cheerfully said, "Happy birthday, America. Make sure your 4th is filled with friends, food, and flags." While her heartfelt message was sweet, it was her energetic demeanor and radiant smile that truly captivated her audience.